I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on a Sunday afternoon where we dealt with a little bit of ice for some of us across the area, but we're starting to see improving conditions, not with the gloominess and the rain, but at least with the temperatures and everything that is falling now is falling as rain and staying liquid, not freezing on the surface. So that is good news, and that will continue as we head through the late evening and overnight hours. As we record this webcast around 4:15 in the afternoon, pretty much the widespread rain is either to our northeast or east. Just a few scattered showers, although we'll see some redevelopment of showers as we head through the remainder of the evening. But again, with temperatures continuing to warm, we'll continue to see it fall as rain and stay liquid as it hits the surface. As far as the ice accumulation goes, didn't get a lot. We picked up about a trace around the Peoria area. Certainly could see it on the power lines earlier on this morning, just kind of hanging down, accumulating that ice on some of the tree branches as well. We saw more ice up to the north and west. You get up towards the Quad Cities, they picked up around 1/4 of an inch of ice. Even higher amounts up towards LaSalle, Peru, and they're dealing with some ice troubles up towards Chicago, and then you get up closer to Rockford. So we just missed out on any significant ice problems across the area, so that's good. Good deal of rain has fallen across at least the eastern sections of central Illinois, close to 1/2 inch of precipitation already falling. And hey, we'll take it. We're still considered in a drought across the region, so we'll take any form of precipitation, whether it be snow or ice or a little bit of mixture of both, because that will certainly help things out. So good deal of precip out east, and again, a little bit more on the way as we head through the evening. Temperatures right now above freezing everywhere. That is important because, again, any of that precip that is falling is hitting the ground and not freezing. 36 over in the Heights, it's 34 in Metamora, 32 right at the freezing mark in Minunk. Outside, you can see it's gloomy, but the rain not falling in Peoria, 36 out at the airport, and winds now out of the south around 14 as this warm front that brought the rain and the freezing rain to us is now surging off towards the north. So again, as I mentioned, everywhere is above the freezing mark into the mid-30s pretty much area-wide with that southerly wind coming in between 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, there are more showers down to the south and west that will start to maybe slide in here, but it'll be much more scattered in nature as we head through the overnight. Futurecast picking up on this. You won't see any widespread showers as we head through the overnight. Very scattered once we get to our early Monday morning across the region. Temperatures will slowly warm overnight, 41 around midnight, 44 around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Back to Futurecast as we roll through your Monday afternoon. We'll keep it cloudy. It will be mild. And this is the noon picture here. Again, some scattered showers here and there. I think a lot of areas will be dry, but you'll have some of these pockets of rain here and there as we roll through the afternoon. Temperatures, again, well above average. We're in the low 50s around lunchtime and mid-50s for our afternoon high here in the city. We could sneak close to 60 down in Lincoln. Mid-50s around Bloomington and Pontiac. A little bit colder down over towards the north and west, up towards Kewaunee and Galesburg, with highs right around 50 degrees. All right, back to Futurecast. Tomorrow night into Tuesday, same thing goes. Same thing for tonight as for tomorrow night. Just scattered showers here and there into our early Tuesday morning. A cold front will approach by Tuesday afternoon. That will spark showers and thunderstorms across the region. That's right, thunderstorms in late January. Colder air then infiltrates behind. Could see a transition from rain to snow as we head through the overnight into early Wednesday morning. Minor accumulations of around a dusting only anticipated, so nothing major there. But primary concern right now will be on Tuesday, the possibility of severe weather, at least the southern half of our viewing area, under a slight risk for severe weather with damaging winds being the primary concern as this cold front will start to move through. So we'll certainly have to keep a very careful eye on that as we get a little bit closer to Tuesday. Check out the highs on Tuesday, into the low 60s. Very, very mild for the end of January, but then much colder. Wednesday into the mid-30s. Thursday, last day of January, will be in the low 20s, and we open up February very cold with overnight lows in the single digits and highs in the low 20s. That'll do it for your weather webcast on this Sunday afternoon. Updates on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us on WMBD 31 News Weekend Edition tonight at 5:30 and 10.